How are you, my friend? I'm so happy to see you again today. I will explain to you the very important things that I make it yesterday and I cut it later on and make profit, which is very important things in the long term for 2 days trading. As you can see on daily time frame, this is the daily fair value gap. This is a daily fair value gap. This candles and this candles and this candles. This is a daily fair value gap, and price the price check it and rejected from it. Uh, يعني, in spite of the rejection is not completed and moving down, it is like the halfway, but it is rejected. But it is rejected in this week. That's a very important thing. So this is a daily fair value gap. When we change it to H2 time of frame, the price, if you remember yesterday, moving up, and then moving down. When the price moving down, make a change in the state of delivery in this area, and also in this area, and also in this area. Three areas make a change in the state of delivery. This is a change in the state of delivery. Okay, and also order block. This is an order block. This is a fair value gap on H2, and also there is a change in the state of delivery here also, and also a change in the state of delivery here. So the price moving down, as I explained in the previous video on 15 minutes, if you can see and remember it, sorry, when I explain the moving of the price by 15-minute time frame, fair value gap, then retrace, fair value gap, and then return, then moving up, and I missed this move completely. And I explained in the previous video of 26th of June 2025. This is fair. This is the sharp turn inverse and fair value gap and other fair value gap, if you remember this video. And also there is the order flow leg first, order flow leg second, and I change it to 1 minute, and I show you the sorry, I show you the change in the state of delivery in 1 minute. I show it to you. That's the same thing when we change it on H2. The price return when you're moving it to this area and sweep this area, moving again upward to mitigate this fair value gap on H2 time frame, mitigate it. Okay, and the price reach it this area about at the about 1 hour before the end of the market at New York Times. When I change it to 15 minutes to see what will happen here, I see that the price, which is very beautiful, what happened, that the price, when the price reach the H2 fair value gap, the price under the effect of this order block, this change in the state of delivery first, second, and third, this is fair value area, this is H2 FVG, which is the major BD array, the large BD array. The price, when it move upward, make a fair value gap this on 15 minutes. If you can see it, this is a fair value gap on 15 minutes. That's the first thing, make it. Okay, that's the first thing. The second thing, change in the state of delivery. This is a change in the state of delivery. So it is then an order block. And also what happened, also change in the state of delivery here. Change in the state of delivery. Rejection from the above. This is the BD array H2 FVG. I sell in this area in politely, really, I sell it. Okay, and when I change it to 5 minutes to see the area, you can see how the market moving down, and then moving up to make a medication to the H2FVG, the internal range liquidity, and how the price moving. The price moving up and then moving down, okay, and make change in the state of delivery on 1 minute, as I want to see it, to show it again also, which is very important. uh, this is 15 minutes, and the price moving here, then return to this area, fair value gap and order block fair value area, and then complete the its movement on 27th of June 2025 to the low, in about more than 5,000 bip, in about more than 5,000 bip. It is very beautiful movement, and it is very beneficial for me. I as I saw it. The price moving from H to FVG towards the low of the week. This is the low of the week on, this is the red line of the previous week. Okay, so from the internal range liquidity to the external range liquidity, and also the price moving towards the daily fair value gap and toward the weekly fair value gap, and didn't reach it today. But when the market move all these, I also make a sell in this area and take the profit near this area. I will show you. I will show you how I make it. As you can see, the price on New York time frame. This is on New York opening price. This in this area, New York opening price. The price move up and then move down. When the price move down, I change it. If you can see this area, if you can see this area, I change it on 1 minute, on 1 minute, and make a sell here. Here I make a sell here. The price moving down, then return, then moving down, making a change in the state of delivery or break of structure. This is a change in the state of delivery, and this is another change in the state of delivery. Okay, and make a sell another times here, and the price moving down till mitigate the low of the day, and I go out in this area. Sorry, I go out in the 60, about 60 61, in this area when the price change its direction. So I make the sell on lower time frame in the same direction of the major trend. That's the first point I make it. And another point I make it, I make a sell. I made a sell in this area. I will show you how. I will show you how I made the sell in this area. I will show you that on 15 minutes. Sorry, on 15 minutes. If you can see, sorry, if you can see this area, I will I will delete this, please. I will delete this also. No, leave it. I will delete this also. I will show you this area. I will change it to green color to see it in a beautiful way. Okay, when the market moving down, and then reach this, I make a sell in this area. When the market reaches this area on 5 minutes, there is a rejection. This is first. This is a BD array. This is order block. This is a fair value area and fair value gap. This is order block. This is fair value area, and this is a fair value gap also. This is a fair value gap. There is a rejection in this area. There is a rejection. You can see this candle rejected from 5 minutes. On 1 minute, when I see it again, on 1 minute, there is the rejection is very clear. When I change it to 13 minutes also, I saw that the price, how it move. I make a sell in this area. I make a sell in this area when I see the rejection and market structure shifting to the lower, and I sell it here. Sell it here. I sell order, make it here, and sell it here because the market change its direction. Okay, this is very beautiful, and I like it so much. And if you can see it beautifully, you can see that there is a BD array, which is a fair value gap, fair value area, order block, and there is a rejection on 5 minutes, with this, which is very important. This is a rejection. This is a rejection, the blue one, a rejection, and that's rejection, and this movement is in the uh, direction of the major trend, which is bearish. This is the most important, and I will change it to 30 seconds. I saw how the structure change its shape and give me the pattern to sell, and I sell it. And but the most important thing why this movement happened here, you can see this is a turtle soup. You can see this is a turtle soup. Okay, so I get out here. I sell here and get out here. Um, Thank you very much. I'm so happy to talk today, which is a very beautiful day. And uh, um, I invite the God to make more profit in uh, the upcoming the week. Thank you very much, and bye bye.